Hi, it's Cameron with White Top Adventures, and I've got a great new product for you guys. You guys are probably all familiar with the Lagoon mount for our passenger side. This is a mirror image of that and mounts directly to the B pillar on the driver's side. So you're not using any new hardware, you're not drilling anything into the van, you're not doing anything like that. It uses the stock hardware for your seatbelt and for your lower D-link, your D-ring. And it's just going to mount straight onto your lower B pillar, and I'll show you how it holds a Lagoon table in a minute. Installation is super easy. You're going to utilize the bracket from the bottom of that Lagoon table bracket mount arm. Yeah, so you're going to use this guy. The included hardware, which is going to consist of some flathead bolts, some washers, and some nuts. Put all those together. Once you get this guy on, then you'll be able to move over to the bottom of the B pillar where you can install it. Okay, first thing you're going to want to do is install those 6 flathead bolts, 6 washers, and 6 nuts on the back. Use a 13 millimeter on the back to hold the nut, and come in from the front with a 5 millimeter. Tighten that guy down a bit. To install the Lagoon bracket mount for the B pillar on the driver's side, you're going to need a T40 to get this D-link bolt out, and you're going to need a 17 millimeter up here to get that one out. So first we're going to knock out this T40 Torx. And then we're going to get on a 17 millimeter up here. There you go. So we're going to want to put this guy right underneath here so he sits on top. It doesn't crush the plastic into the body. So what we're going to do is we're going to space him between here and here. So it's going to take a flathead screwdriver and kind of wiggle this guy out. Sometimes you can just twist it off. This guy is not so happy. Let's see. Yeah, no, that's not coming off. So flathead screwdriver between here and here, and you can kind of twist this guy off. Let me get to that. There we go. Get this guy off. Put him flush on here. Just like that. Put this guy back behind here, and this guy back on. There we go. So once you get it engaged like that, you can go back and place it. Yeah. Go back and place it. There we go. And finger tighten the first few threads in so it holds it in place. And then you're going to come on the bottom. On the bottom, you want to remove the same thing. Spacer right there. And leave the washer behind. So you're going to place now this like this, with the spring washer on this side and the spacer behind. And the spacer is going to go behind there. The rest of the D-link assembly is going to go on this side. Find that hole. You're just going to thread it in with a couple turns with your fingers to make sure you got purchase. You can follow that up with your T40. Put this back where it was, like this, and tighten it down. Now you get your D-link, and now you can finish this guy up with your 17 millimeter that's about it. And that's how long it takes to install the driver's side mount for the Lagoon table system. Okay, now that I've got the Lagoon table mount for the driver's side installed, we can go ahead and put on the base of Lagoon table, the vertical support. Just put it on there and tighten it down. Okay. Then we can put the rest of the table up. Move it loose. Okay. Now you can see the movements you can get from this table in that location. You've got directly in front of both both passengers in the rear, like kids or something like that. And then fold it up, can swing into the side. If you only had one person using one table, it could sit directly in front of them. So the biggest benefit with this mount is you can now be seated in the driver's seat, the rear two seats, and not have any obstruction of supporting arms for the table. So when you use this mount, it's a wonderful mount, it's a great location, but it is better for the passenger side, and it sticks out, and now the arm in the table is going to sit here, and that could possibly get in the way while you're walking in and out of the van. The benefit here is now it's tucked up against that wall. There's no door there. You're not entering from that side. You can now come sit down, relax, and yeah, it's a great mount, great location. Thank you to the customers that helped suggest this, and we're really happy with it.